Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix all .dll errors for Roblox. It is a fast and easy tutorial, so let's get into it. While there are various DLL errors you might encounter when running Roblox on a Windows PC, the following two are the most common: OpenGL32 and MFBLAT. You can download these DLL files here. Before downloading DLL files for Roblox, it's recommended to check for the latest Windows updates. Open Windows Settings, navigate to the Windows Update tab, click on Check for Updates and install any available updates. Make sure to restart your PC to apply the updates, which can often fix startup errors for Roblox. Visit DLL Files website, open your preferred web browser, and go to dll-files.com. Search for DLL files. Use the search bar to find the specific DLL file error you're encountering, and download the latest 32-bit or 64-bit version. Locate downloaded files. Navigate to your Downloads folder using your browser to locate the downloaded files. Extract files. Right-click to extract the downloaded files. Copy files. Copy all the extracted files. Paste in System32 folder. Navigate to Local Disk C, click on Windows and here, go to System32. Paste the copy files and, if prompted, choose Replace the file in the destination. Open Roblox file location. Search for Roblox in the Start menu and select Open File Location. Right-click the Roblox shortcut and select Open File Location, again, to access the game files. Paste the DLL files into the Roblox game folder. Restart your PC to ensure the changes are properly applied. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And click on that notification bell to never miss an update.